SCP-3485. Object Class, Extraterrestrial/Crustacean. Containment Class, Keter, Special Containment Procedures. Foundation agents within aerospace organizations are to monitor for discovery of SCP-3485. Class A amnestics are to be administered to personnel with memories of SCP-3485. In the event that the discovery of SCP-3485 is published, false information is to be disseminated flagging it as a hoax. TTT. Description: SCP-3485 is an extranormally large specimen of Homarus gammarus, or common lobster, located 17 light-years away from Earth. SCP-3485 measures approximately 1.57 x 106 km from head to tail. For comparison, the Sun is 1.39 x 106 km in diameter. Multiple major differences have been noted between SCP-3485 and non-anomalous lobsters, aside from its massive difference in size. Firstly, the carapace of SCP-3485 is abnormally resistant to damage. In multiple instances, collisions with exoplanets have left no signs of damage. In addition, SCP-3485 shows no signs of burns or radiation damage from its regular, extended contact with small stars. Secondly, SCP-3485 has a complex digestive system adapted to its esoteric diet. The primary food source of SCP-3485 is residue created by stars during fission reactions, such as leftover hydrogen and helium. SCP-3485 has also been observed to feed on star material by itself. Feeding is accomplished using heat-resistant tendons located in its mouth. To digest this material, SCP-3485 has an extremely efficient digestive system that uses a poorly understood nuclear reaction to process material. This digestive system is capable of complete mass energy conversion and produces no waste products. Thirdly, SCP-3485 has an efficient transportation system that negates the need for nutrients and oxygen. The bloodstream of SCP-3485 does not use blood, but rather a highly conductive gaseous solution to transport electrical energy. In addition to this, multiple high-efficiency recycling systems replace regular respiratory procedures responsible for life. This fluid also heats up during energy transportation, generating enough heat to keep SCP-3485 alive, essentially negating the square cube law 1. Finally, SCP-3485 is capable of instantaneously teleporting itself to other stars to use them as a fuel source. It is unknown how SCP-3485 accomplishes this. Aside from these modifications, SCP-3485 has the same systems as a non-anomalous lobster, although scaled up by several orders of magnitude. SCP-3485 is normally very sluggish, due to its large size and the time required for nervous signals to travel across its body. However, it is unknown how SCP-3485 does not collapse according to the rules of gravity, or how it is biologically immortal. Discovery: SCP-3485 was discovered by amateur astronomer Ronald in 1998. He attempted to publish his findings in a scientific journal, and was met with mass ridicule. The Foundation discovered SCP-3485 after investigating S findings in 2001. View attachment: History of SCP-3485, close file, event log, September 8, 2001, Atmos telescope is directed towards exact coordinates redacted. SCP-3485 is observed to be feeding off of a smaller star. SCP-3485 is classified in the Foundation database, April 5, 2003, SCP-3485 observed to transport itself to another star. First recorded movement of SCP-3485, June 7, 2004, SCP-3485 transports itself to the Crab Nebula. It stays there for 3 hours before returning to its star. September 30, 2004, SCP-3485 transports itself to the Crab Nebula once again. August 22, 2007, SCP-3485 transports itself to another star in the redacted region, and discovers SCP-3485-1 in orbit of it. SCP-3485-1 appears to be the shell of another specimen of SCP-3485, June 25, 2007. SCP-3485 transports both itself and SCP-3485-1 to the star it was previously stationed at, June 27, 2007. SCP-3485 observed to feed star material directly into SCP-3485-1's mouth, August 14, 2008. SCP-3485 transports itself and SCP-3485-1 to the Crab Nebula, September 1, 2008. SCP-3485 and SCP-3485-1 return to the previous star, October 12, 2008. SCP-3485 attempts to initiate mating rituals with SCP-3485-1 and fails. November 12, 2008. SCP-3485 attempts to initiate mating rituals again, and fails. November 25, 2008. SCP-3485 uses its claws to create a hole inside of SCP-3485-1, revealing it to be hollow. November 26, 2008. SCP-3485 incinerates SCP-3485-1 in the star it is orbiting. November 28, 2008. SCP-3485 reaches into the star, possibly in an attempt to recover SCP-3485-1. Its claws are burnt as a result. December 5, 2008. SCP-3485 transports itself to the Crab Nebula, and remains there until 04/12/2008. April 12, 2008. SCP-3485 transports itself to a third star, and resumes normal behavior, May 6, 2014 to May 13, 2014. 2014 expedition to SCP-3485 occurs. Data is gathered, September 12, 2015. SCP-3485 transports itself to an area of space in the redacted region, despite the lack of stars or any discernible food source, March 3, 2016, due to the fact that SCP-3485 has not moved from its area since 2015, and that it might starve itself. The 2016 expedition commences, March 5, 2016. Dr. Notes the similarities between the area SCP-3485 inhabits and previous sites of Class C broken entry wormholes, March 7, 2016. The 2016 expedition ends. Footnotes. 1. Research is being conducted to determine if SCP-2378 or SCP-3536 violate the square cube law in a similar fashion.